Today's a special one because we've got George here straight out of the Blue Mon community. George has been a part of the Facebook group for I think a couple years now. He's clearly got a great head of hair, so I bought him a train ticket from London to Manchester so we can give you guys that dose of hairstyling inspiration. Of course, brought to you by David Rosman. We're in the heart of summertime, a time of year that I personally think messier hairstyles are very appropriate. Just like Zayn when he chooses to rock his iconic quiff, we're cleaning up the sides and back, bringing it in nice and tight. And well, that's me. David is now blow drying the hair to see what we're working with. It's a bit too heavy to have that effortless quiff look, so we're chopping off some length and doing a little bit of thinning. The fringe area is being taken down to about 4 inches. That's me again. Clean up time is my favorite time. George has thick hair. It's actually kind of similar to mine, so Cavalier Clay is definitely the product to go to for his hair type. Looking good and very Zayn Malik-esque, if I do say so myself.